my name is Liu and you?
Hello everyone, my name is Joy 116.
Hi, my name is Ting, and our innovation product is the household plastic recycle machine.
What is the novelty and uniqueness of our innovation? Firstly, it is an all-in-one functionality. While existing small-scale devices may only shred or melt plastics, our machine uniquely combines shredding, automated cleaning, drying, and thermocompression into a single and compact unit. This seamless integration minimizes manual handling and makes recycling convenient for daily household use. Second, it transforms waste into functional products. Beyond simply recycling plastic into raw flakes or pellets, the machine holds them into practical, reusable products like hangers, flower pots, and toy pots, adding immediate value and utility to output. This creative reuse of waste at home is both economical and environmental impactful. Plastic pollution is one of the most pressing environmental challenges of our time. Globally, over 300 million tons of plastic waste are generated annually, yet only about 9% is effectively recycled. A significant portion of this waste originates from households, where recycling options are often limited, inconvenient, or too complex for everyday use. As a result, much of the plastic ends up in landfills, incinerators, the environment, contributing to ecosystem damage, greenhouse gas emissions, and resource depletion. To address this, our team developed the household plastic recycling machine, an innovative, compact, and user-friendly solution designed to enable individuals to recycle plastic waste directly at home. The machine integrates shredding, automated cleaning, drying, and thermocompression to transform discarded plastics into practical, reusable products such as hangers, flower pots, or toy pots. By decentralizing recycling and making it accessible at the household level, this innovation promotes sustainability, reduces environmental impact, and empowers individuals to participate meaningfully in the circular economy. Next, I'm going to be talking about the problem statement. Despite growing awareness of environmental sustainability, household participation in plastic recycling remains very low. This is primarily due to the lack of affordable, efficient, and user-friendly small-scale recycling solutions. Current industrial recycling systems are designed for large-scale operation and are inaccessible to individuals. Moreover, existing recycling programs often require transportation of plastics to distant facilities, increasing emissions and discouraging consistent participation. Households typically dispose of plastic waste with regular trash, which leads to it being incinerated or sent to landfills, which contribute to pollution and carbon emissions. DIY recycling methods are either unsafe, inefficient, or unable to produce useful products. Consequently, there is a critical need for a compact, affordable, and automated system that enables effective recycling of household plastic waste into functional items, minimizing environmental damage and fostering a circular economy mindset at the individual level.
Next, let me explain our innovation, which is the household plastic recycling machine. First, choose the item that you want to make. After that, put the plastic bottle into the hole. The plastic bottle will enter the first part, which is the plastic shredder. In this part, the bottle will be cut into smaller flakes and strips. Next, it will move to the melting area. In this area, plastic will turn into a thick and sticky liquid. After melting, the liquid will be sent to the third part, which is a 3D printer. Last, new plastic items are made according to user opinions. Next, I'd like to talk about the impact of the household plastic recycling machine. The household plastic recycling machine empowers individuals to actively participate in plastic waste management and giving them direct control over their environmental impact. Besides, by making at-home recycling easy, it helps reduce global plastic pollution while promoting sustainable daily habits. Not only that, with decentralized recycling, it allows households to produce plastic locally and reducing reliance on large industrial facilities. The household plastic recycling machine also minimizes environmental harm by cutting landfill waste, lowering incineration emissions, and reducing transportation-related carbon footprints. Besides, it supports a circular economy which transforms waste into reusable products like hangers, pots, and toys.
Next up is the market potential. N is the total number of potential consumers which are middle-income eco-family, school, and university. Our target potential consumers are mainly on middle-income family. In Malaysia, there is a total household around 8 million. The initial addressable market is around 16,000 to 48,000 units of plastic recycling machine based on eco-conscious and income. For P is the average selling price. The average selling price of the plastic recycling machine is Rm515 on the base price of Rm500. This product is a one-off purchase with optional add-ons such as repair service 100 to 150 ringgit per service, warranty 50 ringgit per year, or filter upgrade 30 ringgit. Q is the average annual consumption. A unit of household plastic recycling machine can be used for 1 to 3 years. A total of twice repair service is needed in 1 year. Next is our data and calculation. To find the market potential, we need to multiply all the data written on. So we can multiply by 8 million, the total Malaysian household with penetration rate 0.003 with average selling price Rm515. We can get a value of Rm12.36 million. For our unit, we can get an expected sale of 24,000 units of plastic recycling machine. In conclusion, the market potential for this plastic recycling machine is strong, especially in areas with limited access to recycling infrastructure. With growing environmental concerns and demand for sustainable solutions, communities, schools, and small businesses are actively seeking affordable ways to manage plastic waste. This innovation can help them reduce pollution while creating income opportunity by turning waste into reusable materials such as hanger, plastic flower pot, or even plate and bowl. As global demands for eco-friendly technologies increases, this machine can meet a growing need in a large and undeserved market. Lastly, we have status of innovation. Our innovation is currently on the idea and design stage. The problem of plastic waste has been clearly identified, and a concept for a plastic recycling machine has also been developed to address it. We have identified key technical requirements and are working on engineering drawings and sourcing components. Initial research has been conducted to explore the existing technology, user needs, and potential improvement. The next step is to study the technical and financial feasibility of the idea. As awareness about plastic pollution increases, government push for a greener solution, the demand for small-scale recycling machine is rising. So the market for recycling technology is expected to grow rapidly in the next few years.